Back at it with another one. This is Briggs and Stratton, 5,000 watts, blah 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 blah. This thing sitting in a field or something. Got a bunch of cobwebs, dirty. Right off the bat, we are missing the pull start, but it does crank over by hand. Feels like it has compression. And then the other thing I noticed was the start stop switch is no good, so we'll just touch those wires together for now. But let's start taking it apart. Air filter's not too bad. It's not soaked in gas, so that's a good sign. From my experience with these, this Milwaukee ratchet works great, and then I always have an 8 or a 10 millimeter because that's usually what it ends up being. In this case, it's an 8. Got some nice dead bugs in there. That looks like gas to me. Smells fine. I think it's usable. There's not much in the tank anyway. Alright, we're gonna go look at this guy. Ugh. We'll get that all cleaned out. And the jets too. We're gonna let that sit in there. Get some of the stuff off. Just a little bit of rust. This thing's bone dry. Ugh. I wonder if it just didn't start. So some of these small engines, they have a oil level sensor, and sometimes they won't start just because of that. So that might be it. But we'll put some oil in there and get it fixed. Old car motor oil. I mean, it's old, but it's clean. Filter's not. Whatever. How much oil did this thing need? I thought this switch was broken, but it's actually not. I mean, it doesn't click too loud, but it works. We do have spark. I'll show you guys. Hopefully you guys can pick that up. We got spark, baby. I like this. The whole back of the electronics is sealed, and then at the bottom there's holes for drainage. That's actually a good design. Anytime you get little locking washers like this, no, don't drop it. Put it back on the screw so you remember. It's something easy you can do. Prevent yourself from losing stuff. Oh yeah, look at all that crud. Little inline filter had on it. Blow that all out, all nice and clean. We're gonna go ahead and clean this, why not? I'm confident this thing's gonna run, so might as well clean it. Got things all clean. I think it looks way better. Might as well clean this too, especially the outside. Appearance is everything. When you sell some of these things, people think if they're clean, they're gonna work better. Not my logic, but everyone else in this country's logic, because no one knows how to fix anything anymore. So clean means good on Facebook Marketplace. So we'll clean it up. Just from my quick little wipe down, looks a lot better. Doesn't look like it was sitting for so long. So this did come with the pull cord, but it's missing the cord and was missing the bolts, but I found these off of Briggs and Stratton that I junked, and I got another Briggs and Stratton that's completely junked outside, and we are going to take the rope off of it, so let's go do that. Here's our donor right here. This thing is just junk. I already tried messing with it. I had to use the Sawzall to get it off, but that's all right. Like I said, that motor was beyond junk, so let's get this rope off, put it on the new one. Lovely. Just give me my cord. Ah! Yeah, there's a hole right there that's gonna go through. Well, this coil was broken, but it all out for nothing. I'm gonna order one on Amazon, but I want to finish the carb and see if I can start it by hand. The ultrasonic cleaner did a really good job. We're gonna wash these and then dry them out, throw it back together. There you go, guys. I smoked it out in here, but we'll fix this. My puppy's scared of the generator. Sadie, come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. You're all right. You're all right. Yes, you're all right. You say hi? What's that, Sadie? What's that? What's that? What's that, Bubba? We're all done. It's cleaned up nice. I went ahead and bought this pull start. It was 20 bucks on Amazon. I don't think I need to show you guys that. That's fine. And then I'm going to put this in Evaporust and spray paint it black. But other than that, we are done. Next up, I got those boat motors over there. Got some stuff to do to the car. Got a bunch of different projects, so we'll get to those eventually. Thing literally, the pull start broke and it was low on oil. That honestly was all the issue. If you see these for free, don't be scared to go pick one up and go work on it. You know, I actually find this interesting. I think it's a hobby. I love working on stuff like this. You could do it with basic hand tools. It was literally only an 8 and a 10 millimeter socket and pliers and screwdriver. Like, that's all it took to do this, plus the ultrasonic cleaner to clean the car. But you can do that with carb cleaner, and that's it. I'm literally out 20 bucks, and I have a working generator that'll probably sell for like 200. If you're thinking about getting into it, it's pretty simple to do. Might as well just try to do it.